have a new project here. This is our new project. We are using it is 4047 IC. And then with the resistors, capacitor. This is the power indicator LED. It is used to monitor if the circuit is where the circuit is on, and then this one, our output LED with resistor also. So what are we going to do now? We're going to make an LED flasher using 4047 IC, which is can be operated in a stable mode or as an oscillator. So we're going to use this power bank, supply 5 volts with USB wire. So we now have the LED flasher using the 4047 A-stable multi-vibrator IC that act as oscillator. And then we have the power LED, power indicator for the circuit. As you can see here, this LED blinks at the rate of 1 hertz due to the combination of with the use of this capacitor and resistor. I think this one is 100 kilo ohms resistor, and then this one is 2.2 microfarad capacitor. The combination of the two will make this LED to blink. And why is it not blinking now? Okay, the combination of the RC, that is the timing of the blinking, and the power use is the 5 volts. We now have the figure 1, 4047 pin out. So pin 1 is capacitor, pin 2 resistor for the timing. It sets the frequency. Pin number 3 RC common. Pin number 4 A stable. Stable 5, 6, trigger negative 7. That is the ground. Then positive trigger 8, 9, external reset. This is the output, pin number 10. And the inverted output, when this is on, this is off. When this is off, this is on. The inverted output, Q not. Retrigger, this is the oscillator out. And then pin number 4 is the supply. So BDD is the supply. We can use, we are going to use 5 volts. And this is now our 4047 LED flasher schematic diagram. Pin number 4, which is the stable, not stable, 4, 5, 6, 14, they are all connected to 5 volts. And then this one is the power indicator. So when the circuit is on, this LED turns on red. So we need that. And then pin number 3, we have the capacitor, electrolytic, 2.2 microfarad 50 volts to the pin 1, negative. And then pin 2 is the 100 kilo ohms resistor to the pin 3 again. So these two components responsible for the frequency of the blinking of the output, which is pin number 10. That is the output here. So we need to use an equation here for calculating the frequency is 1 over 4.4 times resistor times capacitor. Resistor is 100 K. Capacitor is 2.2 microfarad, 50 volts. So also 2.2 microfarad. We can calculate that 2.2 microfarad, 2.2 microfarad is also equal to 2.2 times 10 to the negative 6 farad, which is also equal to negative 6. So transform that, moving about 5 zeros. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 22 or 2. Oh, 22. 0.000522 farad. So it is in farad. So for that, 1 over times 4.4 times 100,000 for the key times this one 0.000022 is now equal to around approximately 1 hertz or 1.1 hertz or 1 hertz. So the blinking, the frequency is governed or calculated using the resistor and the capacitor combination. 1 over 4.4 times resistor should be in ohms. So that's why it's 100,000. And capacitor must be in farad. Convert that into farad. 0.000000022 farad. That is the conversion. According to the math, we have now the frequency of 1 hertz. So the blinking here is 1 hertz. So 1 hertz. And since this 4047 is in a stable mode, it means it's oscillating. And this is the output here. And the output is train of pulses, on off, on off. Okay, so because of that pulses, it will blink the LED. It will turns on and then off, on off, on off, because we're using square wave. So that current flows here to the resistor, then to the LED. And then for the pin 11, 13, we're not using that. That's the inverted output. 13 is oscillator output. 8, 9, 12, 7, they are all grounded. So they are all grounded, and this one are all connected to positive to set this IC into R, or as we can use that as an oscillator. Means keeps on oscillating, continuous turning on and off, no stable state, 1 0 1 0 or on off, causing this LED to blink. with a frequency of 1 hertz. As we computed here, 1 hertz. 1 over 4.4 times R times C. And what is the logic? Means the signal out. If our supply is 5 volts, means it is turning on or high, it is high level 5 volts, low level 0 volts. If we're using a 5 volt supply, in our case, we're using 5 volts. And the power consumption is around 2 microampere. And this is square wave. What is the duty cycle? The duty cycle is 50% duty cycle DC. What is duty cycle? If this is the wave, 50% on, then off, on again, off, on, then off. 50% on, that is the duty cycle. That's why it is square. 50% of the cycle is on and 50% off. That's why when we are referring to duty cycle, it refers to how many percentage it is on, and that is 50%. So a perfect square wave from the output 10, pin number 10. And for the period, what is the period? 1 over frequency, calls the period tau. Or let us connect. Before that, why are we using resistor here? To limit the current for the LED, so that it will not burn. Also here, to limit the current. Once we have the circuit here oscillating, the current flows to the blue LED and it turns on and off this blue LED. So to verify the 1 hertz and also the duty cycle 50%, these two parameters, we're going to connect an oscilloscope here, or oscilloscope here from pin 10, the positive, and then negative to the ground. The oscilloscope is to be connected here to the output, pin 10, and then to the ground. Let us connect the oscilloscope. We now have the oscilloscope connected. So I remove the LED, just the oscilloscope at the output. So we have this oscilloscope probe going to the oscilloscope. And then the power from the power bank with load, just to stabilize this power bank, because it will automatically shut down when we don't have this LED bulb load. So this is actually 5 volts to the breadboard, then oscilloscope. So that is now the waveform generated by the 4047. This is square wave. That is the square wave. Let us see the frequency of this 4047 of this module. So we can see here the oscilloscope and 2 volts per division. Let us compute the frequency using the XY. XY. Then for the B, A, B. And then we have now AB, XY. We have the frequency 0.984 hertz from and then the period is 1.016 seconds. And the frequency is approximately 1 hertz, 0.984 hertz. 0.984 hertz. Period, that is the frequency over 1 over frequency, period. In one period, one cycle. And then for the duty cycle, we have 51.0% and the other is 49% off. This is off, this is on. 50%, 51% on. And 49% off. So we now have the frequency, the period, and the duty cycle. It means this is 51% on and 49% off. Or in duty cycle, where it means only the on time, which is 51%, or in theory it's 50%, but here it's 51%